Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight parking lot sale that's starting today, October 6th, and this is going to be for ITC members. It's going to be active Monday through Thursday just for ITC members, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the 10th, 11th, and 12th will be for everyone. So some really good deals going on. And I recently released a video of this parking lot sale before it was released to the public, going over some of the deals. That way to hopefully help some of those that may have been looking at purchasing something, because there were some deals on some of these items going on already, but a lot of them much better during this parking lot sale. So hopefully that was helpful. But a couple things have changed from the parking lot sale flyer that I did a video on to this new one. Just some minor changes. I don't think any prices have changed. They just added a few items, but I do just want to hit on some of those really good deals going on. So it's just going to be a nice quick video, show you guys what's going on. Once again, I'll try and have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in checking out some of the deals yourself. And then once you go to the Harbor Freight website and check out this flyer, the links are clickable so you can actually look at everything. Like this is the 20% off all U.S. general carts and cabinets, so you can actually go in and see everything that is going to be on sale with that coupon. So up top here in the yellow, you typically have your kind of miscellaneous smaller items. Down below here in the second row is the primary things. Some really good discounts here. 20% off all U.S. general carts and cabinets. Like I just stated, lots of good options there for sure. 25% off all Bauer corded power tools. Now, there are a few items that I don't believe are on this list. Like I think Bauer recently released their tabletop router, I believe it was, and that I don't see on the list. So I want to say it's a good majority of Bauer's cordless tool lineup, but not necessarily all of them. And then over here we have 35% off all pliers and screwdrivers from basically all the brands. Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn. So some really good options there. Now the only thing being is, at least my locations, they're constantly sold out of a lot of the Icon stuff. Not necessarily as much the Doyle, but a lot of the Icon is typically sold out. Maybe your location is better. Mine does not do a great job of keeping it in stock. But if you can get your hands on them, now is definitely the time to pick them up. And then they also got 50% off all Thunderbolt batteries, which, no, they're not the greatest batteries, not the longest lasting. But if you like to keep a good amount of batteries on hand just for those miscellaneous things, kids' toys, remotes, things like that, that don't take, things that are going to require constant power, these are really good for that. Down over here, we got a really good deal, the $99 for the 3-ton low profile floor jack, down from $170, so some really good savings on that. Down below in the yellow section, once again, no changes, I believe, on this page. Up top here, got some nitro gloves that are on sale, some pretty good prices on that. Here we have had a generator actually added to the flyer over the previous video, so a nice little addition there. Really good deal on the solar panel. Those are always really nice if you have any power stations. Those are fantastic to have on hand. They also added the miniature or mini steel toolbox, down from $19 to $13, available in those 3 different colors. I think that I have one, just bought it, thinking, whatever. It's actually pretty handy. I keep all my pocket knives and some miscellaneous screwdrivers in there. Really good little toolbox, and very, very affordable. And honestly, much cheaper than a lot of the other mini toolboxes out there. Over here on the right-hand side, we have 30% off all Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Really good deal there, available in multiple different colors. They have the 4-ton floor jack from Daytona at $170, down from $270, so some really good savings there. Moving down, 2-ton aluminum racing floor jack at $130, down from $200, and the 2-ton low profile at $90, down from $140. So some really good prices on their floor jacks, Daytona and Pittsburgh. And then the only thing added on this page, I believe, is the low profile trucker hat at basically $5, down from $7. So not big changes or anything like that. The next page here, they do have the off-road jack, the 1.5 ton at $239, down from $280. And I'm not sure if I've seen a discount on the Badland off-road jacks since they were released. If you guys know of one in the past, let me know. But I think that's a pretty good price for that off-road jack. Over here, some really good deals on the Fortress stuff. I have a Fortress compressor that I've been running for, I don't know, I would want to say about 3 years now, and I'm actually pretty dang impressed by it. The Bauer cordless 18-gauge brad nailer at $80, down from $100. I will say these wire wheels down here, this brush set, I do not have good experiences with those. I stay away from those. And then if you are an ITC member, they do have the hydraulic bottle jacks on sale right now for a really good price, and that is a very common upgrade for these shop presses. And they have the 20-ton on sale right now. So here's some deals on some of the Hercules lineup. The surface conditioning tool at $90, the 1/2-inch compact impact at $50, down from $70. So definitely some good deals going on. Not a whole lot of changes, but I just wanted to quickly mention those, as well as the 30% off all Daytona jack stands, 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, the added mini toolbox, trucker hat, the jacks over here, whether it be Pittsburgh or Daytona, some really good deals on those. And then the 20% off all U.S. General carts and cabinets, 25% off all corded Bauer tools, 35% off all the pliers and screwdrivers from basically all the brands, and the 50% off all Thunderbolt batteries. And then here's another Pittsburgh jack that's on sale, and the added generator that was added to this page over here. So just a little bit of an update. Once again, that's going on now, starting today, going through the 12th. So if you guys are interested in any of it, I think we got some pretty good deals going on right now, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.